Today, we're diving deep into MetaStock 2025, the legendary technical analysis platform that's been around for over 30 years. With so many trading platforms out there, is MetaStock still worth your hard earned money? I've been testing it for the past month, and I'm going to give you my honest, unbiased review. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this review will help you decide if MetaStock is the right tool for your trading journey. First, let's talk about what MetaStock actually is. MetaStock is a comprehensive technical analysis software designed for serious traders and investors. It's not just another charting platform, it's a complete trading ecosystem with advanced scanning tools, backtesting capabilities, and over 300 built in technical indicators. The software comes in several versions: MetaStock Daily Charts for end of day analysis, MetaStock Real Time for live trading, and MetaStock Zenith for cloud-based analysis. What sets MetaStock apart from free platforms like TradingView is its depth of analysis tools and proprietary indicators. We're talking about features like forecasting module, expert advisors, and the enhanced system tester that can transform how you approach the market. Now, let's break down the key features that make MetaStack stand out in 2025. The charting capabilities are absolutely phenomenal. You get over 300 technical indicators, including exclusive ones like the Relative Strength Index, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, but also advanced indicators like the Fractal Chaos Band and linear regression forecasting. The charts are highly customizable with multiple time frames, from tick charts to monthly views. The Explorer function is where MetaStock really shines. This is essentially a powerful stock screener that lets you scan thousands of stocks based on your specific criteria. If you want to find stocks breaking out of consolidation patterns, or maybe stocks showing bullish divergence, the Explorer can do it all. You can create custom scans using MetaStock's formula language or choose from hundreds of pre-built scans. The enhanced system tester is a game changer for strategy development. You can backtest your trading systems across historical data to see how they would have performed. This isn't just simple backtesting. We're talking about Monte Carlo simulation, walk forward analysis, and optimization tools that help you fine tune your strategies before risking real money. The expert advisor feature acts like having a professional trader looking over your shoulder. These advisors analyze your charts and provide buy and sell signals based on proven trading methodologies. There are advisors for different trading styles: swing trading, day trading, and long term investing. While they're not crystal balls, they're excellent for identifying potential opportunities you might miss. Real time data integration is seamless if you go with the real time version. You get live codes, news feeds, and market depth information. The data covers not just US stocks but international markets, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The news integration is particularly useful. You can see how news events correlate with price movements. One feature I absolutely love is the Power Console. These dashboards give you a complete market overview with your watch list, active positions, and market movers all in one place. It's like having a professional trading desk set up on your computer. Now, let's talk about the user experience and interface. I'll be honest, MetaStock has a learning curve. This isn't a platform you'll master in a weekend. The interface looks professional but can feel overwhelming for beginners. However, once you get past the initial learning phase, everything becomes intuitive. The software is incredibly stable. I haven't experienced any crashes or significant bugs during testing period. The customization options are extensive. You can create your own layouts, save different workspace configurations, and even program custom indicators using MetaStock's formula language. If you're a power user who loves tweaking settings, you'll feel right at home. One area where MetaStock excels is documentation and support. The help system is comprehensive and there are tons of tutorials available. The user community is active and helpful, which is crucial when you're learning advanced features. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. MetaStock isn't cheap, and that's probably its biggest drawback. The daily charts version starts at around $599, while the real time version can cost over $1,700. Add in data feed subscriptions, and you're looking at a significant annual investment. For casual traders or those just starting out, these price point might be prohibitive. However, you need to consider what you're getting. This is professional grade software with features that rival platforms costing thousands more. If you're a serious trader who can generate consistent profits, the cost becomes justified. Think of it as an investment in your trading business rather than just software. There are financing options available, and MetaStock often run promotions that can reduce the upfront cost. They also offer a 30-day money back guarantee, which shows confidence in their product. Performance wise, MetaStock is solid. The software runs smoothly on modern computers, though it can be resource intensive when running multiple scans or complex back tests. I recommend having at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent processor for optimal performance. Data accuracy is crucial for any trading platform, and MetaStock delivers. They source data from reputable providers like Reuters and Interactive Data. I've cross referenced several data points with other platforms and found MetaStock to be consistently accurate. The backtesting engine is fast and reliable. I've run complex strategies across 20 years of data, and the results are generated quickly without any errors. The ability to test strategies across different market conditions is invaluable for strategy development. Who should consider using MetaStock? This platform is ideal for serious traders and investors who rely heavily on technical analysis. If you're someone who spends hours analyzing charts, developing trading strategies, and looking for every possible edge in the market, MetaStock is worth considering. Professional money managers, financial advisors, and institutional traders will find the advanced features invaluable. The ability to create custom scans, backtest strategies, and generate professional reports make it suitable for client presentations and regulatory compliance. However, if you're a beginner or someone who trades occasionally, the learning curve and cost might not be justified. Casual investors who primarily use fundamental analysis might find the features overwhelming. Now, for the cons. The biggest drawback is obviously the price. For many traders, especially those starting out, the cost is simply too high. The learning curve is steep, and you'll need to invest significant time to master the platform. The interface, while functional, feels dated compared to modern web based platforms. Some features that are standard on other platforms like paper trading aren't available. The mobile app is limited compared to the desktop version, which is a significant limitation for traders who need to monitor positions on the go. Data feed can add up quickly if you need real time data for multiple markets. The formula language, while powerful, requires programming knowledge to fully utilized. Customer support, while knowledgeable, can be slow to respond during peak times. MetaStock is an excellent platform for serious traders who can justify the cost. It's not for everyone, but for those who need advanced technical analysis tools, it's hard to beat. The learning curve is worth it if you're committed to improving your trading results. The platform has stood the test of time, continuously evolving with new features and improvements. In 2025, it remains relevant and competitive in the trading software market. If you're a professional trader or serious investor who relies on technical analysis, MetaStock deserves serious consideration. Would I recommend it? Yes, but with caveats. Make sure you're committed to learning the platform and that you can afford the ongoing cost. Take advantage of the 30-day trial to see if it fits your trading style. And that's my comprehensive review of MetaStock in 2025.